Hey, it's Mike here. I'm going to show you very quickly how to get your email signature back if somehow you lost it in Outlook. It happened to me, and it's pretty easy to do. So let me share my screen and I'll show you what I do. Okay, so here I am in my Outlook Online, and all I did was I went to my little gear up here at the top, and I clicked on that for settings. And then I type in email signature. I go to my email signature, and you'll notice I've got my signature here, but it's not showing up when I hit when I create a new message. So all I did was I unchecked my automatically include my signature in new messages that I compose, and I uncheck automatically include my signature on messages I forward or reply to. And then I can hit save, or I don't have to hit save. I'll just check those boxes again, and then I'll close the box. And now the next time I create a message, I'll have that signature attached. So it's a silly fix, but hopefully it'll work for you because it worked for me.